Here's how you can share your Xiaomi C700 Smart Camera and grant access to your family members, so everyone can view the live feed and stay connected from their own devices. Alright, so for that, on your own device, let's open the Xiaomi Home App and then go straight to the live feed section. And just hit on these three dots, scroll down just a bit and tap on Share Devices. And then tap on the Xiaomi account option or WeChat if it's available in here. Now from this pop-up, you're going to select if you want to give them a view only or allow control access. So either they can only watch the camera or access and change all the settings and move the camera from their own device. Whatever you've selected, after that, just press Next. Now here, you're going to make sure the other person has a Xiaomi Home account set up and logged in either with an email address or a phone number on their own device. So here, what you're going to do is just put down that phone number or email account ID in here. I'm going to just give the email address and then just hit Enter or press OK. And then hit OK once again. As you can see, the invitation is sent and it's showing the account info in here along with the request pending. Now, the other person has to accept it. Now, they might get a notification right away on their device, or if you tell them you've just sent an invitation, they're going to open the Xiaomi Home app. From the dashboard, they're going to tap on the notification option at the top. The invitation will show up in here. Just tap on it, and then just hit Accept. It'll show Accepted. And if they go back to the live feed, they will find the shared camera in here. If they tap on it, they'll be able to watch the live feed. And depending on the access settings, they can navigate the camera, record videos, and do all the stuff that the original device is allowed to do. And that's how you can grant access to your Xiaomi C700 camera to anyone. Thanks for watching.